Welcome back to JSC Knives YouTube channel. Today I will be finishing making my cedar wood chef's knife. So what I have left to do on this is cut this piece off. I changed my mind about the design and decided I wanted to cut this off. Cut that off and cut this piece, thin piece here, because of the way the handle was made, the way I made it. I decided I would do it. The handle was originally going to come up across here and cover that part as well, but I changed my mind and I'm just going to cut those pieces off, make it a bit smaller. I also have to finish the handle, put some tung oil on it, and maybe round it a bit more. So you're probably wondering what happened to my knife, why it turned all these colors. It's because I just hardened it. I guess that's what happens when you harden it. It's what usually most of my other knives do. Actually looks kind of cool, but I'm actually not keeping it like this. I'm gonna grind it some more and make it back to the original color. So, but it's harder now. I hardened it because one, it needed to be hardened, and two, when I would get this thin here to sharpen it, it would just crack off and break into tiny little pieces, especially up at the tip. And the tip was also just kind of breaking off or something. I'm not sure what happened with it, but it was doing some stuff like that. So now I'm gonna do some more grinding and also thin it out here. It's because it's thick up here, but I want it to be especially thinner down here because it gets, see, I'm trying to find a good place. It gets thinner. If you can see here, it's thicker up here and then it just gets thinner. So I want it a little bit thinner than this, but other than that, I'm almost done with the grinding part. My cedar wood chef's knife is finally done. Almost done. I just put the last layer of tung oil on the cedar wood, so it'll have to dry overnight. But overall, I like it. The C, I tried to do a JC for JSC Works for knives, but the C messed up a little bit, but still tell to C. Got the blade thinned how I wanted it here. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. And so it's thicker up here and it gets smaller down here, so it's easier to cut things like that. But this still has to dry, but besides that, it's finished. Don't forget, when I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a knife giveaway. Probably not a chef's knife, but maybe like a pocket knife or something. I'll have to see. But when I reach 100 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway.